Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Akko POM Brown switch that was sent to me by Akko themselves. So this is, like the name says, a fully POM switch. This is very similar to what Novelkey creams are, but in a tactile version. So they also do have linear versions, but I'll be reviewing those in a later video. So this switch has sort of a medium bump to it. I wouldn't say it's too heavy, but I wouldn't say it's almost non-existent either, because you can definitely feel it. But it's right in the mid-range, basically how most Akko tactiles are. These go for $16.99 for a pack of 45 on Akko's website, and on Amazon they go for $20.99 for 45s. So I'll be leaving a link to both of them in the description below. But with that being said, let's get into the specs. So like I said, they are a tactile switch with an operating force of 40 grams. They have a total travel distance of 4 millimeters. A pre-travel distance of 1.9 millimeters. The tactile position is located 1 millimeter into the switch, and the tactile force is 50 grams. So, like I said, these aren't super heavy. Obviously the operating force is pretty light, but the tactile force being 10 grams heavier does make it feel a lot nicer to type on than a 40 gram switch, and the spring is 18 millimeters long. So it's not the longest spring in the world, but it's also not the shortest. Here is a quick sound test so you guys can hear how they sound. So yeah, they're obviously not as scratchy as Novelkey creams are, but that's basically because these are the tactile version, and tactile switches tend to be a lot smoother stock than linears are because they do have the tactile bump. Now they still do keep that POM Novelkey cream sound signature, so if you're really into that but you prefer tactiles, this could be a great option for you. I'm not a big fan of how they sound or the scratchiness that most POM switches have. I know you can break them in, but I'm not about to do that. But yeah, if it's something that you like and this is something that you're into, then this is a great option. It's really cool to see Akko making a switch like this that is cheaper and doesn't have many bad things to say about it. I will say there is some spring ping to them, but that's about it. Let me know what you guys think about the switch in the comments down below, and like I said before, the links to them will be in the description below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.